How to apply a promo code on Crumbl orders. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can effortlessly apply the promo codes on Crumbl orders. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and head over to the crumblcookies.com. And here, make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the Crumbl, simply add your cookies and hit to checkout. And you will spot a promo code field. So there at the payment section, you can simply enter your code. And after that, you can simply click apply. And with that, you need to verify your savings and finish the purchase. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add promo codes in Crumbl cookies. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.